Do you want to use Windows or Linux? Or do you want to use both? Dual boot? No? Okay, whatever your choice is, don't be like this bootleg. This is Windows XP Linux. The text setup only changes the string to XP Linux as what any other bootlegs do. And the more you look into this, well, the more painful it's gonna be. The graphical setup is just not good. The design is just Linux-ish. Rebooting the OS, the OB video is actually Windows XP. Quite confusing indeed. Rebooting the OS again after I've just installed VMware tools. You can see the boot screen is tucked with Windows Team at the bottom left corner. Straight to the desktop, and there are several oddities. The icon on the desktop uses crystal icon apparently that was used in KDE as far as I remember. The dock on the right as well as the docs at the desktop just makes it more Linux than Windows. Well, the diamond in the mineshaft is here in the next wallpaper object in the dock. What I mean is just the best thing that I find so far. That alone picks other mid-wallpapers to be fair. This one reminds me of Kabir Samir, unironically. The taskbar's not really a big deal. The clock in it has second indicator. The start button has been changed to text button. Man, what really does this want to be? Linux? Windows? Plus, the text animates when highlighted and clicked. The start menu removes the user account picture while also omitting the object text at the right side. The theme itself is Fratiga-ish, which I actually like, but I don't know if this really works or just jam-packed nonsense. As for application lists, there aren't much in here. Bootlegs are usually cramped with so much bloatware, but as I see right here, right now, it's not that much. This is one of the weird one I encounter. Opening the Windows Explorer and checking it out. All blue theme. Even the system folders and drives. Heck, even the taskbar is blue. Well, no big deal for that, but by looking at the window layout and theme, it somewhat adapts the macOS traffic light caption box with a blue reflection gradient as its title bar color. Very funny. Opening the C drive and... Okay, what? Let me give you a bit of advice here. If you want to use that as a desktop background, it's okay. I'm already tired of pointing it out, but man, the object text such as document and settings shouldn't be blue, but white instead. Apart from that, I don't have a real issue with the rest of the Windows Explorer. Next, control panel, and I hope that I don't see any mess. What? Okay, if the creator didn't decide to make Windows 7 icons with the old no icons, I think this will turn out to be very great. I genuinely admit that. Too unfortunate that this is bootleg, come on. And let's not talk about the classic view. Search in this bootleg uses Merlin rather than Rover. Great, but it's not great again when you look at the top bar there. That design is out of touch with the rest. And I think this is from XP Superstar 6, right? Oh, I hope this crap doesn't go to my computer. Oh no, it does get into my computer. Right-clicking the desktop brings up the dock water version of personalization. And this bootleg comes with so many themes in which most of them aren't even perfect, but it does fit with people's wills to customize their windows as much as possible, and I give them credit for that. Oh yeah, also, have you noticed that this bootleg starts to even deviate from its identity crisis and lean towards just random bullcrap go situation? Yeah, I noticed that too. Anyway, here's what the screensavers are in this bootleg. Moving to the sound scheme, this bootleg has the typical pick any of them and let's see which one is the best situation. Take a listen. Before we go to the holy quadrinity, let's check out Internet Explorer that doesn't change except the watermark at the title text. And Windows Media Player 11 unchanged. Now, here's the holy quadrinity. Notepad, WordPad, Paint, and a literal physical calculator. Anyway, here's the task manager, which I don't even want to comment on anymore. Picture Viewer, which is one of the most normal program out of all I've seen so far, and Outlook Express. Now, time to look at the WinVer, and I would like to say thank you for not making it an absolute disaster, and instead shifting the disaster system properties. Even though it detects the correct processor, which is 10th Gen Core i5, and has the correct processor design, but incorrect time version. This bootleg is possible to you thanks to Krusty Windows Wiki, which you can check it out obviously. Going back to the start menu, I already pointed out that there are not many applications present. Well, guess what? No XP games, no magnifier, no on-screen keyboard, good luck for tablet users if you really want to use it, no movie maker, no help and support, no sample media, and not even the XP tour. Jeez. Even though essential applications aren't available, we can check out the bloatware here, such as Atomic Alarm Clock, which is supposed to be the clock customization app. And that's it. That's just the bloatware. Unless you open Linux programs, which acts as an add-on for this thing. After the add-on has been installed, there are several additional programs such as AIM3, Foxit Reader, IDM, Firefox, Yahoo Messenger, Refill and Installer, Ultra ISO, and finally Skype. Okay, I want to be honest right now. Bootlegs so far that I've tried are just stale and not that silly for me. So I kind of want to pass on bootlegs at the moment, and I'll be back on bootlegs wherever there's a silly one that I can make fun of, definitely. And why would I not?